DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Alright, gang, we're gonna do Plumpy boss Bram. Yeah, man, says a diss track apparently that he just dropped. Excuse me. Yeah, apparently this is a this track he just dropped, so we're gonna check it out. Plumpy boss Bram. Hey man, this is gonna be crazy. Why he just dropped it? Damn, he dropped it today of all days, man. Damn. Add insult to the wound, dog. Insult to injury. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying that they have anything to do with it, but what I'm saying, you know, Kman and Glowing Global just got, you know, just had an incident today. So this is crazy, yeah. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna check it out, man. Apparently it's a diss, man. I'm Plumpy. So we're back with another Plumpy boss reaction. Bram just dropped an hour ago. It's me. Apparently this is a diss track. What's going on? So let's see. It's me. I don't know who's aimed at. Is it? I think it's aimed at Kman. You see me? And so we're gonna hear what I go on though. Let's jump right in. This is Plumpy boss Bram. Let's get it.
Some gang, modest lifestyle. Lash up, shit. 1K. Murder.
7 gang. Bomba, lash up. What did you say? You said lash what? I thought that was the name of a person, one of the person that was in the incident. What's going on? I'm here. Okay.
Some gang, modest lifestyle. Lash up.
Lash up.
1K.
1 king.
Murder.
Any
game they want to play, we can play it too.
No, any game they want to play, we can play it too. Jeez and peace, dog. Oh, go on at this. Oh, bad. Grim Reaper, bro. Coughing that. Wait. The Rose is panic car. Yo, Wagwan. Yo, hold on there. Wagwan. Yo.
2 sharp shooter, machine them pack. H-tank full up a drive already. Now me have an next car for clearance pass my Joe and my watch. Murder now. Yeah. Hot car pull up man jump out in a black. Gun start beat like rhythm in a.
2 shot trooper. Man take care ready for get. Gang, the song are deadly. The song are deadly, you know, man. You are one.
Hot car pull up man jump out in a black. Gun start beat like rhythm in a that head shot. Skull crack, watch him jump and a gap last breath him the pants still giving me last shot. Don't see a spot in a hot spot. Brain fly without lasers and pilot.
Come on, bro. This shit crazy, gang. What is it?
Don't see a spot in a hot spot. Brain fly without lasers and pilot. Take it to them different, make them understand.
Unsafe spot in a hot spot. Make brain file out without visa and pilot, brother. I want to you, man.
We no fear no boy, every man a plot him here and sell block. Rifle and a lot and every killer tends
to whoa. We no fear no man a plot him here and a cell block. Who have them blow? Who have them thing there? How get them here brain and cell block, dog? How go on? No, dog.
Man a plot him here and sell block. Rifle and a lot and every killer tends to fuck and if I sting him with them one play man ready for bring the dot. 15 full up a pill for make you drop and I wake up. Key boss and shake the place and make boy disappear first. But this a funeral say.
When you say key boss in a place and make man disappear first, was that a hint at Kman? Key boss up in a. Hold on, let me hear that one again, gang. Come on.
The man ready for bring the dot. 15 full up a pill for make you drop and I wake up. Key boss and shake the place and make boy disappear first.
Oh, he said key boss and shift the place and make boy disappear first. Okay, alright, come on.
A funeral setting. Spear man in a black. Place in a dismay, casket open up. Smart neat boss in a top.
Is that supposed to be Kman? With the afro? Is that supposed to be Kman, gang? Let me know.
Face print pan jersey, 6 man tote box. Pasta breed circling and relax. Ashes to ashes.
Is that supposed to be Kman, gang? Cause I know it's a Kman, they have a video when him here pull out. Is that supposed to be Kman right there? Let me know, gang.
Roll out and get a mark on and farmer strip. Guns up the killers up, we fully active.
Yeah.
Return roads and casket. No one.
Rita Rose and Class Kid. No warning, no warning, no warning. Bumbo Cleat. Yo.
No warning, no warning. Yeah, when the rifle start beat and no beat box. Boy coulda run fast, 7.6 get head back like speed trap. No, them a idiot. Roll out and bust them head for make statement and no.
Yo, dog, wait, bro. Why the man got a Grim Reaper in the car? You see me? Why these based on a car? You feel me? This shit happened today. You see me? But this video, dog, you have to them shoot the video today. If they shot that video today and got it out today, bro, shit, that's crazy production. But if they been had this, you see me, and those waited to drop it now, that's crazy. That's crazy.
It's a pussy, them fear without God, no. Open up a head like a macro. Double A shot, you rip up head like pants foot. Roll up, catch an ex pussy, be a pain and sorrow.
So rip up head like pants foot, brother. Be yourself, you know, come in. It's bad, bro.
The war is on, we no ease up. Roll out, boy, dress up and freeze up. People are passing the youth, so Jesus.
When war start, we no freeze up. Roll out, boy, dress up and freeze up. Oh boy, come in, man, this hard, gang.
Fuck up the place and steam up. Left boy chalk out to the theme box. Dead like dog on the media. That on a procedure. When the rifle turn on, boy gone away. M16 bus and rushing a brain. Man, this life, all of the killing.
Jeez, you know, man, my this life. Yo, Jano, this hard, bro. But then for them drop it like that, bro, and then came and get caught like that, bro. Did they shoot this video today? Can't. That means they been had this shot, which is crazy, bro.
And no long talk, we entertain. Hard balls and boy and a bit different. Only thing left with them are the memories.
Only thing left are memories when I face Jaja.
Return rose and casket. No warning, no warning, no warning. 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 No warning,
no warning, no warning. This is crazy, gang. Yo, mad.
no warning, no warning.
This is crazy, gang. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big up Plumpy boss. Big up 7. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Crazy video, bro. Crazy video. But what the video depicting and the fact that what happened today is like crazy. It's crazy timing. Either they been shot this video and had it put on waiting, or they shot it today and got it out fast, which is crazy, bro. The man got a Grim Reaper on the car, dog. Like, damn. That's wild. I know. You feel me, Christian? I don't want to be the one to say it. But this video, bro, this video is crazy. You see me? This video crazy, gang. Yeah, man, the timing and everything, bro. This is wild, bro. See me? They got the man in the car begging. Like, yo. This is wild. This video is serious. This video dark. This video is dark, my G. That shit happened this morning. These niggas got a video this evening, my G. Say either they been had this shit shot. You see me? I been had this shot long time put on. Or these niggas work faster than a bitch, nigga. You feel me? These niggas said, you know what I'm saying? Rural, capitalize on, you know what I'm saying? This is crazy, man. The coincidence is crazy, bro. But the starting of the video, man, you know, the Grim Reaper dog on the car, dog. First took me a while to catch it in the dog. I was going, you know, bro. It took me a minute to catch it, bro. And then I saw the roses on the car and I see the Grim Reaper. I'm like, weird. What the hell is that? You saw the, yo. Damn. This is wild. This is wild. Wild. Come on, but hey, man. Shout out to Plumpy. Dope ass artist, man. I just wish the Trini artists them there. Yo, just be safe out here, man. You see me? I say,